Cutting plywood for shelves platform using tabletop jigsaw. Attempted repair of old jigsaw for plywood cutting. Initial power up. Plugged in and switched on, motor engaged briefly. Blade moved for a few seconds, then stalled. Repeated attempts yielded short bursts of operation. Cutting attempt. Managed to cut a few plywood pieces, likely straight or shortcuts. Noticed motor heating up quickly. Inconsistent blade speed. Possible internal short or thermal cutoff triggering shutdown. Tool behavior. Runs intermittently, possibly due to worn brushes or motor fatigue. Overheating protection kicking in. Loose internal wiring or failing capacitor. Risks and limitations, safety concerns. Sudden stop during cutting equals blade jam or kickback risk. Unpredictable operation not suitable for precision or long cuts. Operational impact, slowed down workflow. Increased risk of uneven cuts or material damage. Team morale, we're fighting plywood with a moody diva of a jigsaw. Outcome and recommendations. Status, tool usable only for light, shortcuts not reliable for full project. Temporary fixes tried. Cooling intervals between cuts. Gentle blade guidance to reduce strain. Initial setup and inspection. Retrieved old jigsaw from storage. Cleaned off dust, rust, and cobwebs. Checked power cord, flag, and switch for damage or wear. Troubleshooting steps. Verified power source and outlet functionality. Inspected fuse or breaker if applicable. Opened motor casing to check for burnt smell or visible damage. Loose wires or disconnected terminals. Jammed blade mechanism or seized bearings. Assault jigsaw repair unsuccessful. Status, unit remains non-functional. Suspected issues, burnt out motor. Faulty switch or internal wiring. Age-related wear beyond economical repair. Next steps and recommendations. Plan B. Use alternative cutting tools, for example, circular saw, bar jigsaw, or manual saw for small cuts. Documentation. Record failed attempt for training transparency and future reference. New tool entry. Tabletop jigsaw cutter 110 volts. Voltage warning. Philippine standard voltage 220 volts. Plugging directly into a standard outlet equals instant damage. Risk of motor burnout. Electrical fire. Voiding warranty. Safe usage protocol. Use a step-down transformer rated for 220 volts to 110 volts conversion. Sufficient wattage capacity. Check jigsaw's power rating. Label the tool clearly with voltage warning. Train team members on proper connection procedure. Setup checklist. 1. Inspect transformer. Confirm wattage rating exceeds jigsaw's draw. Check for fuse or circuit breaker protection. 2. Label everything. 110 volts only tags on plug, tool, and transformer. Add visual cues, red tape, signage near outlet. 3. Test run. Plug into transformer, not wall. Monitor motor sound, blade movement, and heat. 4. Team briefing, quick huddle, new tool, new rules. Emphasize voltage mismatch and safe handling. Material prep. Inspect plywood for defects, warping, or knots. Confirm thickness, for example, 1/2, 3/4, and grade suitable for shelving. Mark cutting lines clearly with pencil or chalk. Identify curved cuts, notches, or cable holes that require jigsaw precision. Tool setup. Secure tabletop jigsaw on stable workbench. Check blade type, fine tooth for plywood, scrolling blade for curves. Adjust blade tension and speed settings based on material thickness. Prepare dust extraction or fan if needed for visibility. 3. Safety gear. Wear goggles, air protection, and gloves with grip. Tie back loose clothing or hair. Keep fingers clear of blade path. Use push sticks or guides if needed. Cutting activities. 1. Panel positioning. Place plywood flat on jigsaw table. Align marked line with blade path, straight and curved cuts. For straight cuts, guide panel slowly and steadily through blade. For curves, rotate panel gently while maintaining blade alignment. For internal cuts, for example, cable holes, drill starter hole, then insert blade. Edge management. Pause between sections to check alignment. Sand edges lightly after each cut to remove splinters. Inspect blade for wear replace if cutting slows or
Welcome
edges
to
fray.
Bigfoot's grip and lighting section, where practical know-how meets dedication. We aren't experts, but we understand what needs to be done to keep our grip and lighting equipment performing at its best. Through consistent maintenance and hands-on care, we ensure everything is ready for your production needs. Follow our journey as we tackle routine tasks with precision and keep things running smoothly. Like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with our simple but effective maintenance practices.